Hey guys, Matt from CroppaCo here. Today I'm going to do a quick startup guide for farmSimple on iOS. So when you first create an account, you'll have available to you one job and one spray log. In order to unlock the full features, you go to these three bars in the top left and click subscription. And from there you can choose which subscription you want to use. You'll get a 30-day free trial, whichever one you choose. So probably the first thing you want to do with a new subscription is to go to settings. Um, your subscriber name should already be set up, and then you can put in your emergency contacts, which will show on that home page, which I had first up. That's just an easy accessible way to contact those people. It'll if you press on the number, it'll bring up your phone and have that number already put in. You'll choose your units, so metric, US Imperial, you can have both. What your paddock sizes will be shown in, what your fuel capacities will be shown in, your silo capacities. For your timesheets, you'll choose what day of the week they'll start on, and then also how long a duration those timesheets will go over. Probably the next thing you want to do is go into your assets, and here you can fill in your farms, so farms including their paddocks, fuel tanks and silos. When you create a new farm, you can indicate how many there are, and it'll create dummies of those, which you can then change the names and edit the details. Or you could just create one and then add them in as you want to. You can also set up cultivars. So, for example, in this one here, we have barley, canola, chickpeas, etc. And basically, what you're doing there is putting out ingoing and outgoing ticket traits for testing that piece of grain, and you use these cultivars against a paddock as well as a contract, and then that goes into a silo, and the silo has that cultivar, so it's quite important to put in all your cultivars. Livestock, they're mainly used for your jobs at the moment. It's just to type a number and then any notes, and then you'll get a history if anything's been done to those livestock. Equipment, so this is where we list all of our equipment. You put a brand, name, year, serial number, type, and any notes about that equipment. Usually you do something like having the different filters there on handy. Users. So with your users, this is where you can add employees to access the data on farmSimple. When you create a user, you put in their first name, last name, whether or not they're an administrator, and then their email address. That person will then get an email, and they can set up their own passwords and everything to log into the system. They don't need to pay anything, and you get at the moment up to 10 users on the one account at the standard rate. There's no extra fee for extra users. Putting all this on phone can be, or on iPad can be quite daunting. So we do have a web interface for putting in all that data. So at farmsimple.croppaco.com, you just put in your details there and log in, and it's just an easy way to see all your equipment or all your assets, and you can add new ones in through this interface as well. For example, can add a new paddock to this farm. That's 100 hectares. Wait. There you go, added that in. That's a quite easy way to do it. At home in front of the computer, it's easy to type there. Or you could use the iPad. It's up to you. Yeah, I think that's about it. Right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.